Hi, I'm Sammy from Aussie Furbaby. Today I'm going to take you through how to assemble your Aussie Furbaby foldable hammock. In your pack you'll have 2 of the bent pipes, 2 straight pipes, 4 suction cups, your bag that has Allen key and some screws in there, 2 of the feet, and then your cover. So we're going to start by assembling the frame first. So getting your 2 bent pipes, but making sure both ends that are facing you have holes that allow the screw to go through. So 2 holes at that end and also at this end. The front just has the single hole that the metal insert will push into and click. Now we're going to progress to assembling the back part. Again, pushing in the metal aspect until it clicks. Next, we're going to get the 2 feet and place the end with the 2 holes into the area provided. Next we take our bag, and at this point in time we only need our Allen key and the 2 screws, placing the rest aside. Then it's simply going through the hole and into the pole. You might choose at this point just to screw it in just a little bit. And you might just choose to tighten just a little bit. Then you'll use your Allen key at each end to tighten until firm. Next, we're going to grab your cover. Which then slides over the top. And these are removable covers, so nice and easy to wash and then place back on. They should feel firm to zip on. And we're going to turn over. Now you've finished assembling your frame. At this point we would recommend soaking the suction cups in just a bowl of hot water from the tap for 5 minutes, and also cleaning your window. So knowing that I've now soaked the cups and they're ready to go, we would place them into the feet. So to give you a better view, you pop them through the hole. Metal goes on the other side, and simply spin to actually make them fit nice and tight. Repeating the same process for all of them. So now that the frame and the suction cups are ready to go, the last step is to use your plastic nuts, and these simply insert at the back into the allocated hole, and this makes it sit nice and flush against the window. If you do have any issues with assembly, we are available on the phone. You can reach out at any point. Thank you.